a great environment because you have the piety of the situation. And at the same time, everyone knows that no one's really paying attention to what the priest is saying because they hear the gunshots and they know that there's a. So it's also Michael commenting on how committed they are to their work.
But it's exciting to have that type of drama, protecting the performance like that, to slam into the violence of the racing and have that hit you right in your face. And of course, from a sound design point of view, that's exciting. And again, it started in the script. We were all on the same page with what we wanted out of that, and good things happen that way.